Hello everyone and welcome back to English with Herty. So in today's video, you are not going to learn grammar. You are not going to memorize difficult rules. Today, you are going to learn how to speak English in real life. So, because the truth is, many people know English, but very few people can use English in daily situations. So, in this video, I will give you 10 powerful English phrases that native speakers use every day. In the supermarket, at work, with friends, and in normal conversations. And you can start using them today. So, part one, at the supermarket or the store. So, imagine you are in a supermarket and you can't find something. Instead of saying, "What is milk?" for example, milk. What is milk? You can say instead, "Excuse me, could you tell me where I can find the milk?" This sounds polite, natural, and fluent. So, another situation, for example, you want to ask about the price, for example. How much is this? Instead, you can say, "How much does this cost?" Very simple, very natural. Part two, asking for help. When you need help, don't say only, "Help me." Instead, you can say, "Could you please help me for a moment?" Could you please help me for a moment? And also you can say, or, "I was wondering if you could help me." This sentence is very powerful. Native speakers use it a lot. Part 3. At a coffee or restaurant. Imagine you are in a coffee. For example, instead of saying, "Give me a coffee," this sounds rude somehow. So you can say instead, "Can I have a coffee, please?" Or even more natural, you can say, "I will have a coffee, please." I will have coffee, please. Okay, if you want to ask about the menu, you can say, "Could I see the menu, please? Could I see the menu, please?" Simple phrases, but they make you sound fluent. Part 4. At work or school. When you don't understand something, don't stay silent. You can say, "Sorry, could you explain that again? Sorry, could you please explain that again?" Or, "I didn't quite catch that. I didn't quite catch that." This is very native expression. Okay, when you want to give your opinion, you can say, "In my opinion." You can say also, "I think that." These phrases help you speak with confidence. So, part 5, talking to friends. When a friend tells you good news, don't say only good. You can say instead, "That's great." Or you can say, "I'm so happy for you." This is strong. Part 6, ending a conversation politely. So you can say, instead of just saying bye, you can say, "It was nice talking to you. See you later. Have a great day." These small phrases make a big difference in how fluent you sound. You see, fluency is not about difficult grammar. Fluency is about using the right phrases in the right situations. Start using these sentences in your daily life. Repeat them, practice them, use them, and slowly you will notice something amazing. You are not translating in your head anymore. You are speaking naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who wants to improve their English. See you in the next lesson on English with Hertie.